I'm Cadet 3rd Class Soul JHB from BSMT 2 Alpha. I'm currently second year college and I'm studying at ZSCMST. I'm here to talk about a specific philosophical perspective from a famous philosopher, Immanuel Kant, and I will also share my personal experience that relates to this perspective. Immanuel Kant was a German philosopher and one of the central Enlightenment thinkers. Kant's concept of respect for self is rooted in his broader ethical philosophy, particularly in the framework of his law, which is he described in his work such as the groundwork of the metaphysics and morals. So para kay Kant, yung respect for self ay konektado sa ideya ng human dignity and autonomy. He believed that every rational being or every human being has an intrinsic worth. So as long as you have the ability to think or you can determine what's good and bad, you are a worthy person. And hindi siya nabi-base kung ano yung achievement ng isang tao o kung paano ka i-perceive ng tao around you. So example dito ay yung mga taong nag-cheat in order to gain some benefits, such as politician. Ito yung best example. They lie to the people in order to gain their sympathy. And we see them as a established and a successful individuals, but in reality they are nothing but a scumbag based sa perspective ni Kant. I was once a perpetrator of this immoral act. Back in high school, gusto ko rin makakuha ng mataas na score sa exam kasi masyado akong nag-base sa perception ng ibang tao sa akin. Gusto kong ipalabas na mataas din yung score ko kasi yun naman talaga yung standard ng society. I thought if makakuha ako ng achievements ay tataas na yung value ko as a person. Then during the exam day, I had an answer key na nakuha ko sa ibang section kasi same lang naman ng questionnaire yung buong batch namin. To cut the long story short, I got the highest score and kinocongratulate na ako ng mga classmate ko. But I felt empty, parang hindi worth it i-celebrate yung nakuha kong parangal. Perhaps because I didn't get that score fair and square, or maybe I don't deserve that score in the first place. But either way, alam kong hindi maganda yung ginawa ko. Imbis na tumaas yung value ko, ay mas lalong bumaba ito based sa philosophical perspective ni Kant. Because if you're not true to yourself, then you don't respect yourself. Our duty as a rational being is to know the moral laws. We devalue our worth by violating it.